Unless you're bad.
Alright, now we got
No, because I bought the wrong goddamn thing.
Rando and Zoman, no, Thornmail right off the bat. I'm gonna get a Thornmail.
Hey guys, we're releasing in the jungle. We gotta think of a jungling song.
Alright, do you want a taunt?
Okay,
do you
I'm
want,
gonna need a
taunt then?
Hey, I'm gonna need a hard leash. I accidentally bought the wrong item.
So yeah, do you...
Cody, stop fucking doing that!
See, when I come doggy,
Ah.
you're about to
So, do you want the taunt first, or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna
As
get my
soon as
stun.
I hit 300, I'm gonna run back. I fucked up.
Nice job.
In
Wait.
the jungle, the mighty
You know,
jungle.
Twitch
Oh
doesn't
god,
need
you
a
got
leash.
Doran's.
Twitch
Really,
doesn't
he-
need a leash.
Well, no, he got Doran's blade.
Yeah, because I fucked up on that.
And I've done that
Jesus.
before.
I only do that on Shaco, but
you
really
know-
that could work. That could work on Jungle Twitch, but I only do.
I don't. No, I've done
I
that.
only do that. I only really do that on Shaco, but you can do that on Jungle Twitch.
Do
I
not
can see
stop
that.
believing. Don't you ever stop believing. Well, guys, gotta break down to a musical number somewhere. It'll be fun.
Valor is dead.
But didn't Hedwig die in the cemetery Potter?
You are a wizard.
Hey, why are we tanking?
Potter.
We're not tanking this for you. I guess we're tanking this for him.
You are a wizard, Dog Potter.
Alright.
Thank you, guys.
We're going back to lane, to lane, to lane. We're going
I'm
back
facing
to
a
lane.
Ziggs.
We're late
How
to
sad
a
thing.
fucking lane, cause Jody fucked up, bought the wrong item.
Are you singing the Jewish marriage song?
The what?
That one was like do 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 do. Taunt 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 taunt.
I'm probably gonna
Yeah.
die.
I got a hit on him.
Quit playing, quit playing, quit playing, quit playing, quit playing. Okay.
What?
Don't worry about it, fool.
Yeah, I didn't die yet.
Yeah.
Yay! I hate Lucian. He's
Yeah,
so broken.
He's gonna. No, he's not. But
He's
he does
not
do a lot of
broken.
early damage.
He does. He
He's
does. If you
not
stay
broken.
behind minions, he's not powerful at all.
He's
Well,
just
What
good.
the hell, my
all
Q never
around.
went off. That's weird. I don't know.
He's
Something's
not,
happening
he's not
with my.
broken. He's just one of those champions that just never falls off. He's just good all game.
He
Yeah, but if you stay
falls off
behind
late
minions,
game.
he's shit. If you stay behind minions.
Not really. He can just queue through them.
Although I just mentioned I've never played Pantheon before because I just fought him.
You can dodge
I
his
thought
Q.
I was for a while.
Yeah, but a lot of people and low elos don't know that.
Your
I
mom
mean, yeah,
was a low elo.
it is a lock onto you, but you can dodge it.
I got one. I got one.
Yeah.
Wanna-
Come
I
on,
got
keep
a-
wasting your mana on us.
I got a hunter's machete. It's all good.
She thinks she's actually gonna do something.
Okay, fine then. Push my lane. You think this is a game?
Meow.
Who are
I
you
want
facing?
you to
Oh,
push
dog.
Yeah, it's not working so well. Oh look, Quinn, you wanna
Oh, well, we
go in?
made
Let
it
me
wasted.
just wither you, and then you can cry.
Meow.
Do you
I'm
not,
gonna be right back.
Doge? Do you not understand that by doing that you're wasting mana and pushing the lane that I want?
Jungler, bully. Oh, a
Just
bully
mind you.
bear.
Oh god, the bear and the Doge.
Oh, he's coming mid too.
Oh, I don't have a trinket. Oops.
Oh,
Oh
nice,
my
job.
god.
nice job.
I mean, I have the new invisible trinket.
Welcome to season 4.
I always right click on it, just sometimes
Welcome to
it
pre-season
doesn't do
4.
it.
Oh.
Well, shit, bully bear, get out of here. I better get that kill.
That's hilarious.
Okay, so I dashed to Ziggs, and then I got flipped because he pops around the corner out of nowhere.
Nice.
Go get
Was it a
Lucian.
bomb that got
Go
him?
get that Lucian.
Well, he
Donna,
can't. He trapped
Donna,
me in with
Donna,
his little
Donna,
minefield.
Donna,
His minefield
Donna,
lasts too
Donna,
long.
Donna, 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 I have no mana.
Tra-la-la-la-la.
Oh, I'm frozen. I'm frozen. What the fuck?
On a
Okay, there we go.
galaxy far, far
Wait.
away.
Wait a second. Wait.
There was a team that was so
Why is
bad
Time
carry
ago.
talk?
that they were getting fucked
Something
over.
Samurai Jack, I don't know.
Why
I
is
said I
that-
have no mana. Why do you keep constantly going in?
Because it's
Say
funny.
fuck you! That's
Why
my
am I
turtle.
just noticing that our AD carry is at top? What is going on?
What?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The harassment of Ziggs is
80?
stupid.
What's 80? What's an 80 carry?
Did you really just say
Okay.
that Quinn?
I think that's
What's
Ziggs.
it?
Dude, it
What's a
is
turtle?
definitely Rammus 80 carry. I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
What's a turtle?
And it's not a Quinn top,
What's
it's
a
a bird
turtle?
Jesus top.
Holy fuck, this Ziggs is just like spamming
If you think
everything.
that
What should I
Quinn's,
max-
if
what
you
do you
think
want me
that
to max
Quinn's an
first?
80 carry, you're funny. I see you.
I'm gonna
I am
max-
Bird
I'm gonna
Jesus.
I'm going to max my top first.
Dude, look at that! Bird
Fucking
Jesus!
bear. Fucking
Should I max
bear.
my
What
top
does he?
first, Joe?
What does he think he is? He's not even a meme. There is no meme for bear. Well, there is, but they're not funny.
Joe?
Ow.
Get out of here!
Hey, jungler, come kill the Ziggs. Please.
Joe, do you
Okay,
want me to?
so
What do you want me to
apparently
max,
their
Joe?
team.
Oh,
I
Apparently
can't
their
hear you
team.
because Bird Jesus is talking. We must obey
Shut
the
the
Bird
hell-
Jesus.
Shut the hell up, black man.
Their team doesn't have a jungler. It just has fucking 2 top laners apparently because he won't leave.
What did you ask?
Do you what ability do you want maxed?
I don't know.
Good job, kill the little
Let's do
fuck.
Rammus thing. That's all I'm asking.
Well, do you want me to get the taunt max because then that
Yeah.
gives a higher duration?
You're supposed
Sure.
to max your taunt.
That seems stupid. I maxed my W, but I'm maxing my
Well,
taunt
I mean,
right now.
you guys
Though.
could stun the fuck out of Lucian.
You're a support, first
His
of all.
he only
If you were jungle, then
Angel,
max your W, but you're not jungle.
slows.
Ram is
I'm
support
master
viable.
jungler with Twitch.
I
Master.
missed.
at-
I mean,
Nice job.
You're like my
I targeted a
pal.
minion because I'm bad. I critted apparently. Cool.
Yeah, when you're when it's below 50, like 25% health, you get 50% crit chance on your basics and
Lagging.
Oh.
and spear.
Okay, so for our theme song, does it have to be all vocals? Can it be instrumental?
No.
What? No, you,
Like-
you gotta sing it whenever you go ham.
he is like dead. He is like dead serious about
What
that.
if, what if it's instrumental though?
Just sing whatever comes to your mind.
Can't.
Hurry up
Whatever
and get
comes
the
to
6 so you can
mind.
go back.
Hope Ziggs isn't killing me because I'm searching up YouTube song.
Oh god.
You just died. Okay.
No, I could hear it.
Hey, Earl, do you want blue?
He's looking at a song right now. Pantheon wants blue.
I want blue.
If you can't handle the blue.
Because he's harassing me like crazy
You
with these
can't
fucking
handle the
bombs.
truth.
Welcome to the League of Ziggs.
Alright,
Yeah.
come on.
You wanna
No,
know why? 'Cause
Liz.
you
I
can't
can harass him
handle
first
the truth.
too.
Bird Jesus gets away.
I have almost as much
I'm not gonna
CS
try and
as
take
you,
it or
Joe.
anything.
I don't have damage. You're gonna have to like hit it up or something.
I just don't want to take it by accident because of my poison, you know.
go back, Joe. You have no mana. And you're pushing one hard.
Thanks.
Bird
I just didn't want to take.
Deontay, you didn't sing Bird as the
Yeah, I
word.
know.
No, because I wasn't going ham. I was running away like a little girl.
No.
Volibear
I
ganked,
got
and I had to go
Zon.
Bird Jesus for him.
Gank never left, same thing.
Bird Jesus had to descend upon this earth.
Who called me?
No.
I must go, my people
Bird-
need me.
Yeah,
Okay.
Bird Jesus, did you just see him? I must go. Where does Quinn go when she
Yeah.
falls?
I don't know.
A valid booty hole. Well, in your case, Hedwig.
I mean, I don't even.
I'm putting my new things into the thing.
Yeah, that's actually a very good
Like, does she just like fucking like grow wings and start flying?
Really?
Oh, I love you. I love you so much.
What is that?
That is the cantina song.
Yeah, more stuff for
Oh.
the cantina.
Like
It's a
weird
remix,
canteen
actually,
music.
and it's a great remix.
Yeah, I know that remix. I listened to it. It's on my Caravan Palace.
That's hilarious.
What is he doing here? Get your lane out of my fucking lane. What is he doing
He's
here?
barking at some mana.
Like,
Oh,
I
look,
swear.
he
There's
has a
just,
blue. Mine's
just-
running out. I need a fresh
Lucian
one.
is
Come here,
gone.
bully bear.
I see no Lucian here.
My balls are stained.
What's that? Your fight karma? Oh, I don't need to help you then.
Every other night.
Don't stand in. Never mind. Hi, black guy.
It did no damage.
You don't do damage to him. I hope you know that.
I didn't. Oh,
No, it's just because he's.
Ziggs is still
Dude,
missing.
Joe,
All
you
the
were
bear was
letting
just
him
last
push
scene right
way.
there.
You were pushing
Be
way
careful,
too
guys.
much,
All the
Joe.
bears right there.
I just
Fine, fine.
I just wanted to run him out of
Oh
lane.
god, he's gotta be inward. How that'll do nothing to me.
Tangent is gonna dance.
Ramus
Lol.
literally,
Okay.
Ramus literally does not have
Looks like
What's
he's freezing the
called a
wave
joke.
there. Looks like he's not gonna push because he's freezing the wave.
Ramus
Well,
literally
did he
does not
just
have a
wither
joke
you?
or a laugh.
He just straight ulted at his tower. He misclicked. He was at his tower. He walks back and he's fucking ulted for no reason.
That's fun.
That's a volley.
Oh,
Okay,
I
I
used
guess I'm
my-
going this way. Nope, I don't want it.
Oh, I'm on my way, so he's about to get locked in.
Oh wow, his
He has no flash.
passive.
Fuck that.
That volley
You
is
have no
really
flash.
Just going circles around me and I missed my E. If I would have landed that, I could have ignited and got the kill.
That
You know what?
volley
He's
bear
staying down there. I
passive
could probably
too
jump
OP.
up on him.
Tis be true.
Sliver's passive is
Where did
rather
it even
annoying.
go? Oh, did you die too?
No, I didn't die. I beat. Meow.
I must grant Skyfall! Must grant Skyfall! And
The
second now.
Grand Pfeiffer.
And never mind, they're running back. Son of a-
No, they're not. They're being kind of stupid and staying in lane. You probably should have waited because I cannot get there.
The fuck?
Nice job, Joe. Oh
he
wow.
dashed but still gets stunned? I'm confused. What?
Wow, she used flash. She burned her flash.
Yep. Exactly what I wanted her to do, too. Oh, shit! How the hell is she seeing me up here?
Probably taking a wild guess.
I got a ward on dragon.
Cool. Cool.
So,
That no damage.
Ziggs is missing now.
That's great. I still haven't gotten a fucking trinket. Oh well.
Nice job.
Yeah, Ziggs is
Scrub
missing.
Lord.
So. Oh, there he is.
Scrub Lord Joe.
Oh man, though.
This Lucian, I hate him so bad.
Don't worry, I'm just messing with his jungle.
They're earning their mana though, really quickly.
Yes, they are.
Bye, Ziggs. Oh shit, the bullet bird! No! Help me!
I'm coming.
Just flip me this way. Flip
I
me
must go
that way.
mid! My magician bitch needs me apparently, apparently not anymore, okay.
No.
You're about to
Twitch.
die, Twitch.
Oh,
Why'd it make me go that way?
Because birds use it.
Nice.
Right here.
Oh,
Right
I
here.
was about to die?
fresh blue
Right here.
buff.
You want to
Hmm.
No, apparently they don't want to come after me. They want to
Alright,
come after you
guys,
though.
3 and 1, does that count? Can I do it now? No, but did you guys see those plays though? The volley bird chased me, so I ran towards his tower, so he flipped me back towards mine, and I just dashed away. Dumb
And then
bitch.
I
Nice.
showed up, and then we killed him.
Yeah, then he showed up as being a good sport and baited his dumbass.
I just didn't. That was fair game for either of us. I didn't
That
know if my
fair
poise
point
was
was
gonna
bad.
get you or you were.
Yeah,
gonna
no,
kill
you
him.
did a good job. I got you. I covered you.
Well, I didn't know which was
I
gonna
wonder if we can
take
kill
it.
Blackie.
I was actually waiting for that to see who would take it.
You really sound racist. I should not be saying that.
When do you guys want to do dragon?
That'd be good soon. I mean,
Ossus's teleport is down.
Yeah, Joe, what the hell was that?
what do you want me to do? What could I have possibly have
stand-
done there?
Stand in front of it so I didn't die?
So I would have died?
You have a lot more health than I did. Like, a lot more.
Still would have killed me.
How
Oh,
high
you
are
could have
they?
put
Joe,
on
you're
your
stu-
swag pants.
It's up pretty high.
Uh,
Put a pink in there.
That's
That's
probably
why
how
they
they
saw
saw
it.
you.
That dog.
Yeah, I didn't know they had a pink in it. They didn't even show up when I used my lens on it. It didn't show it up.
Yeah, no, it doesn't do that on pinks.
Ow, those fucking hurt now.
What, the cues?
Dorn's blade for the window.
Hey, you landed like 3 and now I'm low.
Ah, you dick!
I don't know. Maybe.
Guess who's sitting mid? Oh, he's gonna take out my ward. Got a big boy over here. Well, he was last seen right there. Yeah.
Oh, damn, I was gonna ult right there, too.
I just have
Am
to
I-
be careful.
Where am I?
He wants to shut me down. He wants his blue back.
Bot is MIA.
Well, I'm fucking up his jungle, so he's probably mad about that too.
Good job. I honestly don't counter
Oh, he
jungle
got
much
his
with
blue.
Twitch, depending on how fed I get myself.
Oh, I just went and I just took out all the big minions out of his camps.
Oh, what? I did not point that there. I'll say that.
He's dead.
Yeah, he is very well dead.
Let's take drag.
Do you see where my fucking
You
E
guys
went?
get drag, I'm gonna help Earl push mid. Alright, I'm gonna go
Very
solo
well
mid.
dead.
I'd be better off hitting turret, because I can't do much to drag.
All right, go get drag or not
Whatever.
turret then.
There's a bully bear there, let's go get dragon.
Don't bait them over here, though. Okay.
Nope, I'm just staying mid.
Well, I have smite too.
Aww.
Good job, you little roly-poly.
Is
Poor
Bird
Jesus
Jesus in need of
not
assistance?
amused. I'm not in need of assistance. I'm in need of a kill, which I'm about to fucking get. Think this is game?
Oh, well, you flash, but you still gotta.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da.
Oh, it's
You wanna
don't.
go to? You wanna go to bear? You wanna go to bear, man?
Don't worry, can I E a tower? Even though that makes no sense, why can I E a tower?
That is so funny when people try to like flash away from me while I use my E with
I
You
think
got
so.
me.
yet
You got
they don't
me.
realize that I dash to them. He is pretty well dead.
Get fucked up. Oh, up.
I have heal, just let me know.
I
Yeah, you might want to get out.
Do you want to
Oh,
hold
there
lane
is a
for me?
spread,
Thank
you can
you.
be.
I love you. You should get my turret too. Be eternally grateful.
Get that thing.
Watch out for a Q. You got that.
Mhm.
I can. But I get up again. They never gonna keep me.
And it's the loneliest number that you'd ever know. I lied. I'm not going now.
So I'm 4-1. Does that count?
Sure.
For what?
My theme song. Let's kill a Narcissus. Come here, doggy. Dodge it.
Don't worry,
I
I'm
like
one
Doge
in-
better
I'm-
than this because Ziggs is just a fucking prick.
Hey, don't worry, I'm 101.
Narcissus
carrying,
rushed the
guys.
Warmogs. What the hell? I'm gonna go bot. Because you guys need to, win your lane.
He can win our lane for us.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
Nas
getting
got
no
real-
help.
Nas just got real sick of my shit and just bought a wall.
Oh, Ignite
That's
barely
funny.
killed me because I
Fucking
got no
missed.
help.
I forgot it goes
Surprised?
deep now.
I don't
No
know why you
help. I
didn't
was
go
obvious
fan.
that I was freaking going back. With the
Well-
action of me recalling and you
I
saying
don't even know
nothing,
why you recall.
No one-
Bum
I had no
bum
help.
bum 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 bum.
Yeah,
That's the problem, Cody.
wow, his E didn't get you, but you still walked into it.
What?
Cody.
I
He
ended
put
up-
the E on himself and Cody stood still, but he still walked into it. So, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, when I started walking away, I hit
Don't think Bird Jesus is getting away from this one.
Dude, I got red buff. No one's running.
Keep running towards your tower!
Yeah, I know.
Mantheon will come to help Bird Jesus!
Bird Jesus says, "Fuck you. I am Bird Jesus."
Oh wow.
There's a Lucian.
Bum bum.
Have you guys seen Lucian's new skin?
You're
coming
slow.
out?
Oh, no 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 no.
That's
no,
Striker?
no,
I'm
no,
going to get
no,
it.
No no. I don't
I already
want
own it. What are you talking about?
It's so stupid. Oh,
Striker illusion.
it's so
Oh,
gross.
Cody, run towards me, run towards me, run towards me, BAM!
You're on your own. That guy does. Why he doesn't do damage? He's just really tanky. He's blinded. He can't
Gonna
hit you.
kill me. How would I get that?
You're poisoned.
Poison.
I am here for my Lord Savior, Bird Jesus.
What are you gonna do? Kill me, Karma? That's what I thought. Support red buff wins the game.
I got my mobility boots.
Man,
I
for the
don't
fucking
Super
Zig.
fast.
For now.
Why did the turret focus me? What?
Nobody likes you.
Fuck you.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
That's
Mom.
true. Kind of true, Cody.
You want to take yours, like, staying there to give him the
you want
triple?
to give me that?
I'm thinking
You should-
about it.
You should
You're
give me it.
blinded.
Oh,
Give me it. Thank you.
Oh.
that was dirty.
What?
I mean, I'm 5-1. If I have a blue buff, I can go 6
what?
and 1.
Him? I really didn't care. I kind of wanted.
Yeah,
I was
well,
kind of
Ziggs is
actually
fed.
expecting.
Kind of, he only 5'5", actually.
I was actually kind of expecting him to get it.
Thank you for blue buff. No.
So yeah, I'm gonna get a spirit visage now. So
Sounds good.
You rushed the thorn now. Nice.
what?
How much health do you have?
Who,
You don't
me?
even have-
Dode, excuse
It's
me.
just 100
Excuse me, you are not going for Bird Jesus.
I
There's
have
a tower there now,
1400.
are you?
I have 1400 health.
So I'll go pet the dog at once.
I still have.
No. See, this,
I
this
still
is
have
not right.
more than Joe.
I see that pink ward. I see that fucking pink ward. You think you're gonna get the fuck away, but you're not.
I'll wait for him. And hell. Oh shit, they're all over my bottle.
Ow.
Oh my god, they won my turret. It's gone.
That
Bear,
1100
is aware.
XP though.
Don't you know?
I'm scared to go right
Everybody
here.
knows that the bird is aware.
Don't mind me, I'm taking bot turret.
Okay, not minding at all.
I'd be careful. There's 4 mid and they all went missing.
Please.
I
No,
got
they're up here.
Hey, let's close them in, let's close them in.
Oh my god.
Before you got
Here!
Our days.
Deontay, they want you.
I love you.
You
Why
got
did I
it.
just sacrifice myself for Bird Jesus?
Ramus, run. Run really slowly. We must wait in a bush to squish.
You have that exhaust. Too bad you can't exhaust the
Run,
Lord
Bird
Jesus.
Bird,
I'm on my way, Bird.
is the word.
Who the fuck do you think you are?
Yeah, don't mind the Twitch backdoor at all.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my
God.
Earl, I just got that on video.
The Ramus.
Get squished.
The Ramus plays.
What just happened?
The Ramus LeBlanc plays. That's what happened.
I'm building straight AP. I have a Rabadon's, a needlessly large rod, and a Seeker's Arm Guard.
Hey, look at that, a penta.
They wanted to come
Oh
down.
yeah, there are 2 tops.
They went
Yeah.
after our Lord and Savior Bird Jesus, and I didn't like that.
They tried to
Hey,
exhaust. Too bad you can't exhaust.
Don't mind bot lane at all.
Why would we mind bot lane? Fucking Cody down there. Jeez.
Oh god, this is bad, this is
Duke
bad.
on, you big dude. That's why you give me blue, bro. That's why you give me blue.
Best Ramus ever.
So, I just got out of that alive.
I still can't believe that support Ramus is
Oh my god, you
game.
pushed so fucking hard, dude.
Yeah,
I wish I
see.
wasn't sucking so bad. Oh well.
I
I
just
still
realized
can't
we have
believe
380
I'm so
carries.
I have
Ramus
never
is actually
played
working.
Pantheon in a normal.
You know, if it wasn't for you giving me
Oh,
that,
What the fuck did you
I
think?
would've been
What did you
able to
just attempt to do?
Get out of here!
so-
My Bird Jesus!
I set you up like so far in advance.
I just want to
No.
No, I don't like it. Wait for it.
Oh
wait
yeah,
for it.
no,
It
you're
didn't
pretty
work.
well dead.
I
That-
think,
Pick it up, dead. I have my
I
bird
will
Jesus
sacrifice myself for Bird Jesus! Even though I really shouldn't be.
I'm on my way, guys.
We'll give you the Penta.
I didn't have enough mana for my ult. Oh god. He's dead.
What was you? That's what I want to know.
Okay, so apparently I'm just gonna be sacrificial to Bird Jesus. Because it's the only thing I'm good at right now.
So I'm gonna recall, and I'm gonna be right back in 3 seconds flat.
I'm gonna recall and suck a big one. I can
Oh, there's a
talk.
Gnosis.
You
now.
are,
That's
Joe.
not
You
fun.
are.
Gnosis tanky. Hey guys, I would really appreciate some help from the
Lord Jesus says no, fuck you.
I'm coming.
I'm coming!
Yeah, they warded that. I would
Holy
get out.
crap, that roly-poly is fast.
Lord Jesus says he wants this. Lord Jesus is getting this red buff. I hope you realize that's it.
How does he get it?
I threw my Q when he ran.
I shredded his health, and E goes.
Jeez.
Yeah, I went all in on him too. It's fair. I need another kill. You can share.
The roly
No,
play
I'm not
is-
saying I'm not mad at that you got the kill. I'm wondering how did you get it?
My Q went straight to his booty hole.
I know. If it was a split second, my E was railed through him.
Aw.
Got lucky. Once my
Okay.
ult gets up, this Ziggs is dead dog shit. Like, next
Hey,
time.
we'll only let us tackle each other. Oh, bye. So, does a Blanco build MR?
LeBlanco.
Yes, I
MR.
said LeBlanco. I also call Nami Nami.
What's MR, bro?
You're dead to me.
Yeah, did you hear this?
I just ulted the minions. Get on my level. Right.
I'm gonna set you up.
Lord.
Setting. I'm joking. The minion sitting there for no reason.
Oh god!
I might have to sell my
You are
dog.
not Bird Jesus.
I just don't have a lot of attack speed right now.
You. Oh my god.
Yeah. Mason
Minion
Court.
got in the way of my Q. I can't believe that.
Yeah.
Minions
Watch
followed me all the way over here. What the hell is that? Minions following me all the way over here just to get in my Q's way.
Oh yeah, fucking minions OP, man.
They
Hey,
are. They
Boy
are.
Bear's just so
Actually.
mad he flips the tower.
I
Alright.
hate Holy Bear so much.
Get over here, bro. Get over here.
I'm about to get a spirit massage in like 400 gold.
Okay.
What does
Now I have
Doge
the
think
key
he's
item.
doing? Why does he want our Bird Jesus'
Ow.
shrine? I don't know where I'm going with this. Fuck it.
Wanna kill me a doggy?
Let's go. We shall
Always
ride. I'm a horsey!
I have to pull off the best mechanic
The
right
push.
here. I don't even know why this is a game. Wow. Oh, I stayed over. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, found a lot of them.
Is Dragon here?
yeah.
I already
Oh,
took
I
Dragon.
just looked at my mini map. I would have realized that.
Yeah, I already
This-
took us
Did
Dragon.
you ult right on top?
Yeah.
What is this?
They keep pinking that
No,
bush.
no, fuck. Woo, alive!
Vision. I don't have vision. If I had vision, I would have been able to W onto him, but I didn't.
Hey,
I
let's go
couldn't
take the
see that.
That
turret.
fail.
I just missed that bush.
I was gonna
Take
light
bot
kill off.
turret.
Never
Out
mind.
of all the time, no one can play.
Resolution.
Hey, there's a bot turret.
Well,
that's
missing
playing
top.
right now.
Bully Bear had like 1 hit of health left.
Get his passive though.
No, that wasn't
I will
active.
fucking
So,
cut you. Oh,
Wow.
Oh! Deontay, I thought you would help.
Okay. No, I got hit by Ziggs and Lucian all at the same time.
oh, excuse you.
It wasn't happening.
It was taken from 2 people. One was a black guy.
Yeah, I
Why
was
is it
getting
Does he want
DP'd
me
in the
to get-
corner.
it's okay.
over
We're
there.
not racist. Our Bird Jesus is black.
Go ahead.
Oh,
like-
they had it worded.
This dog.
I was getting like fucking DP'd in the corner over there. Sorry, Cody.
No, I didn't see you took that much damage. That's why.
I will heal you, and you will die. You will feel the pain. Wow, I did that the
Man.
wrong way.
Christ, I saw that miss there.
Alright. Danger top, guys. I need some
Doesn't
help
matter,
again.
still got her.
Okay, he's out. Oh, he's out. He's in the
I just
bush.
saw you like go right past her and then come back and hit him.
Got spirit massage. Got spirit massage, all worth. Randuin's omen time.
Sounds good. I love the omen.
Then Warmogs.
Give me your blue, kid.
Probably gonna.
Oh,
Oh,
shit,
what
he
was
went too
that?
I forgot he has a dash. I can't catch him double dashed. If I had my flash, I would have flashed. But I didn't have my dash.
Okay, Dr. fucking Seuss.
I don't know. I got lost in words. You got this. No, you don't. Get out of there.
Come on, sing
Yes,
the
I
song. Sing the song.
That's a dead roly poly.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. And I'm gonna keep me down.
Earl, you might want to run. I'm just
He
saying.
gets a kill because he got shielded by bitch Karma. God damn
Oh,
it.
yeah, Karma's really OP.
Oh, but no, as soon
So
as I
OP,
turn the corner,
never
there's
play
a
at all.
fucking Ziggs stun. Like, where the hell does this Ziggs come from?
Your booty.
I was just like, yo, what? I was just like, whatever, YOLO, I'm Ramus.
That's how you do Ramus thing. I'm about to gram. I was gonna say I'm about to gram Skyfall into fucking.
Oh god!
Oh yeah, you're pretty screwed.
Not the dead rat.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not worth ulting, is it? Cody.
Go that way, go that way, go that way.
Cody.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
Why you have to feed my lane, bro? He's 9 and
Oh shit!
Who
You're
fed him?
screwed.
Fuck yeah, I am.
How'd he get the? He keeps getting the kills.
Who gave Ziggs
Oh.
10 kills? That's what I want to know.
I haven't actually.
I don't know what you're talking
got it.
about.
I'm just now seeing this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It wasn't me because I've only died twice.
I've died to him twice.
I think I've died many times. I literally just bought Pantheon so me and Bryce could do a troll bot
Let's
lane.
go top lane.
Really? That was all you were doing. Stuns for days.
Bait
Yeah, that
them.
would be great.
Bait
Get the
them.
fuck out of here.
Bait them. Bait them. Bait them. Bait them. Bait them. Bait them.
That
Oh my
big-
God,
Damn,
fast.
I'm a fast rat. I'm a fast
He
rat. I'm a fast rat,
flashed.
daddy.
How
Burd,
really?
Jesus.
Good job.
Okay,
Burd, Jesus, no.
there's a volley bear in mid, and I don't want to deal with
Exploded.
them.
Well, someone kill that
Can you,
karma.
like, distract the karma, Remus? Distract him at least? Be a
You
distraction.
can't be faster
Nope,
than
what?
Ramus.
What? 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 What happened? How did I die over here?
I don't know.
What?
I'm coming, Rabbit. Oh no, I'm not by.
Yeah.
It's a visual bug that happens with LeBlanc.
Yeah, no,
What?
I had it happen another game where I was on my thing and I dashed out and I died over there and then I teleported back over there.
Yeah, it happens.
Oh yeah, that does happen. That happens to me a lot
it's
when you
just a-
dash, but
I
then
was
you die
alive
while you.
went out. Like
Oh
I
God!
dashed 8 and I had an inch of health left and I died.
It's just a visual bug.
Oh.
Why am I level 17? Why are you all not like high levels?
I'm only 13.
Well,
I'm
I
14.
roamed a lot. I didn't stay.
You're like 12
I'm still
and
higher
3.
than Joe.
12 and 3 and level 15. The fuck?
Oh God!
Yeah, I'm not even close to
Is
14.
Twitch always getting caught out there?
The rim is
Oh my
baits. though.
God! I love how
Yeah,
he
Nessus is
teamed-
pretty OP.
Fuck Nessus.
Welcome to
honest.
Noxus.
That 1400, that 1400 movement speed though.
Well, guys, Wolves is more important than getting kills.
No, no.
Yes, it is. Are you kidding me? Blue buff is like worth everything. Blue buff is worth our Nexus.
I said Wolves, but okay.
I stole that somehow. I don't even know how.
Oh, that's Sonya.
Damn
though.
it.
That's Sonya. Oh my God.
Oh my god, I hate the way
Volley
bushes
bear.
fucking work. It's like I
Volley
walk
bear.
past the bush and everyone's invisible. I was gonna turn on Ziggs, and then they went invisible.
Yep. That's a
I
bush.
can't do cool plays.
Welcome
Volley
to
bear.
League of Bushes.
Volley bear OP.
Where's
We
he
have
at? Let's go.
vision.
Let's
We
go.
have
Let's
no
go. let's
vision
go,
at all.
let's go,
Look at
let's
our
go.
look at our jungle. I have that one ward right there. One ward. Good job, guys. Great vision. We're not even over there.
And dead.
Hey, I put
Jesus.
that there. We were fighting over there, you little bitch.
I did. The bird
Yeah,
is a word.
good
When a
job.
bird is a word. When a bird is a word.
I don't want to fight him. Actually, could me and you kill him?
Meow.
Cross arrows.
Wait, don't fight him. Don't fight him. Don't fight. Hey, you're fighting him.
You just
Jesus.
blind him when he gets up in your face. Oh, you fucking shredded him, stupid dog. Did he get away? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
because he.
Oh, he didn't get
No.
away. Kidding me? Okay,
Bird,
maybe.
bird is the
How
word.
was he so
bird,
bad? There he
bird,
was.
bird is the word.
How
You
was he
can't
so
do that.
Don't
bad?
you know about the
Oh
bird?
my God, yeah.
Everybody knows that the bird is a word.
Alright,
Take
push
that
I
lane.
one.
shall
Take that
take
one.
it.
Take that one.
Okay,
Take it, take it, take it. Come on, help me take it.
you
Somebody help
tank
me
it.
take
You're more tanky than me. Tank it.
No, I'm waiting for them to come help me.
Oh my God.
I wanna
They
play-
hoot. What's wrong with you? They hoot. Eggwood hoots.
Oh.
Owls don't caw.
Alright, someone tank
I
that.
can caw if I want
No,
to.
not with illusion and a volume there.
Waited way too long.
Yeah, because what's his name? Mother Bird and Cody is over there just screwing around.
That wasted all.
I gotta dance it out. Okay, I was gonna dance.
Alright. Bryce, follow me. Come down to the bot one. They're up here distracted.
Now they're going bot.
Alright. Yeah,
Wait.
they're going.
Those two are. I don't see
Ziggs.
anyone else.
Hello, Ziggs. I think he's like, fuck.
Oh yeah, he knew he was fucked.
Yeah, he is screwed.
He knew he was fucked. There was no way he was getting out of that. I just have
No
no
way
mana.
in the hell.
That was the
Oh,
moment he
you guys are
realized
fucked.
he fucked up.
The ram is Bates. The ram is Bates.
Nice.
Guys, I need a safe get out.
I healed you, baby, because I love you. I love you.
Alright,
Mean
let's.
girl.
Me me
I'm gonna
take
go
out.
Oh, we didn't follow.
Take a turret, take a turret. Don't leave. Don't leave. Take that mid. I'm gonna go push top.
Do you
We need
know
to
how
push.
long?
Okay, no, I didn't mean turret dive them. Holy fucking tits.
Oh god.
Shit.
It worked.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
But you didn't get a when you
Hoot.
take mid. Take.
Wait, no, I'm gonna go with Cody and help him get bot.
10 gold. 10 gold.
Why you gotta do this to me?
Oh, look at my score.
Melody
That
has to
score,
do everything
amazing.
by her, so.
Oh, ow, actually, fuck. Fuck.
That score, amazing.
Good
Yeah,
job.
you're
You
gone,
let
Cody.
the owls out.
Not really, dude. We didn't get the
Ow.
fucking tower. It's almost dead.
Hoot, hoot.
Damn it.
Who let the owls out? Hoot, hoot. Oh, that's what I typed into the chat.
That's because you are a scrub lord fag fuck.
Oh, nice, Twitch. You got away.
I can go take that by myself.
The
I love how
owl
you
pain
refuse
train's
to
coming
recall
down.
it.
It's low enough for
fuck
me
it.
to take it by myself now.
Got the Hydra, I don't know, fuck it.
The owl pain train is coming down.
This Gnosis is just now building
Hoot.
magic resistance.
Oh my gosh, it's like we're in the early 2000s again when we're in first and second grade.
What?
What?
Well, when that song became popular for the rest of us here.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost got dog.
You probably were like 3 at that time,
Yeah.
Bryce?
What?
When Who Let the Dogs Out came out?
Oh shit.
The Silence by the Depeche Mode.
They're like
Lord,
right
it's
there.
your only hope of seeing. Wow. Why are you guys going for that? We don't see anyone else on their team. Let's go for the one guy that we do see.
I was just going to check it out, but I don't know.
I'm just over here split pushing, don't mind me.
That's 2 tanks.
Just gonna win
Don't
the
wanna-
game.
Might not want to go for that, Joe.
Thanks, guys.
Shh. Don't
You're
mind
the one
me.
that went in, Joe. You're the
I
one
did
mind
not
me.
go in. I got caught out. Oh, fuck it. I'm dead.
Holy
There's
crap.
just
There's 4 of them. Why would you do that?
It's
What?
worth it. I got it.
Get out.
I
'cause
ulted
ran
away
it.
too. What the? Who fucking fed Ziggs? Holy shit.
I think all of us fed him in our own
Yeah.
special ways.
I even ulted out of his ult, and it's like
I
still.
get knocked down, but I get
I
up again.
am Ramus.
Yes, I could have flashed. Nothing worked. I still die.
Law bird Jesus out.
Oh, it took them that long to get me with like 4 people hitting me.
No!
Hey, we got an open inhib and bot though on him.
Did you see how long it took them to kill me?
Yep. You are
That
ramming
was,
Jesus.
that was hilarious. Turtle Jesus.
So Quinn
guys
becomes
want me to
like a
run back
melee
down
at
there
all
again?
during her ult.
Not really. Because I'm the only one up at the moment, and,
Go.
Ult in, scare him. No, what are you doing? I was joking. Run!
I'm joking, you asshole!
Nice job,
You
Joe.
think that he would catch on to a joke? That was your first mistake.
Yeah, really.
Holy
You
crap!
thought this was a game?
Oh my god!
Yeah,
Don't worry.
that is
Yeah,
one
with you.
fat asshole.
No fault.
Yeah, good job.
You're welcome.
Even though everyone's to blame.
Oh.
Yeah,
minions
seriously,
got
all of us
away.
are to blame for that.
Actually, not me. I only have 4 deaths, and none of them
I
was
only have,
it.
I only have
Most of them
7.
were to
But no,
Gnosis
there was
and-
that one time that you did die to Ziggs where we gave Ziggs a triple kill.
Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, never
When
mind.
did
Yeah,
you
I
guys
die
do
to-
that?
Oh my
Holy
god.
crap.
The thing, because you died in bird form, for some reason, the symbol on the left that shows the icon was stuck as Valor for like the longest time.
You mean Headwind, right? It's not
You
valid.
were stuck on Bird Jesus for a while there. But I mean, it's switched back now. But you were Bird Jesus for a while.
Okay, guys, going for the touchdown.
Hey. No, we're
Hey,
not playing next
Hey,
to
top
ball.
bird, you should go
Keep-
get bot and
Keep
hit.
them
Fly down
Keep
there.
them out of bot lane.
Baron.
I'll
Ward it.
run and take it.
I don't
Okay.
have
Someone-
words.
Oh my god.
Nope, fuck,
They're
fuck,
not-
fuck, fuck,
they're
fuck,
not-
fuck, fuck,
they're
fuck,
not
fuck, fuck, fuck,
taking
nope, 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 nope.
Getting that blue buff.
going for the
I'm
bot.
only 15. Wow, I'm mad.
I'm
Get
going
over
for
here.
the bot.
Hurry,
I don't want
hurry
it.
up!
I didn't want it. Oh god. Oh god.
I got this. Split push.
They're all going bot. I hope you know this.
Help me.
Why are they all over here all the time?
Guys, why do you have
Go
to get
kill them. Go kill them. I got the inhibitor. Go kill them.
Bird, just
Kill them, it's a 4v5, why would we go in on it?
Nope.
Bird Jesus left us.
Yeah, I fucking noped it out of there. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, bye, roly-poly.
I don't know how everyone gets that.
I
about
don't really expect us to win this. I never actually did because I was playing Rammus before, but it's just
Keep trying to
hilarious
put
to see how
bot. Keep
long it
pressuring
takes.
bot. Never mind. You need to run. I lied.
Okay.
It was
Yeah,
just
I'll get
hilarious.
right on that.
It was just hilarious to see how long they would take to kill me.
He does too much damage to me.
Ow, I can't
escape.
feel my left hand. My vein hurts a lot in my wrist.
Wouldn't it be better if I backdoored because I can take
Well, then
six?
stop tapping so much. You won't have that problem.
Ow, I really
Attack
can't
speed
feel
you
my
have.
left
That's
hand.
why I have more attack speed than you do. I can take it faster.
Fuck.
No, I can take zigs.
Yeah, you can take Zig.
Earl, what's wrong with your hand? What?
I don't know,
He
like the vein inside my left
That
hand is like
too much.
throbbing.
Did you punch something today? Like really hard?
No. I went shooting guns.
I
You
really
guys
wouldn't
wanna
do
ta-
that much
Hey,
to your hand, not as much as your shoulder.
Do you guys want to take
My wrist.
take Baron?
It's more like my
Yeah,
wrist.
let's go take Baron, even though they're all up. Fuck it.
Well, how do you suppose we're gonna?
No,
How
I
do
don't
you
want to
suppose
bait
it's doing
Baron.
anything
That's
else?
There's
incredibly
Bruce.
retarded, don't you know?
We need to group, that's all we need.
We can kill them in a group fight. They can't touch us in a group fight.
Especially with this ram.
Don't focus the tanks.
You guys, what about me?
There's only things. What do you-
Zigs.
Damn it. Those fail ults I keep getting.
Oh my god, he's so fast! He just flies away and all.
Oh, here
Get him
comes the
back,
twin
Jesus.
fucking Penta.
Oh
Here
my
comes
God,
the fucking
Jesus.
twin Penta.
Dude, I just got that on film too. I hope you love me, Deontay.
Oh my god, the Rammus tank is real.
Do you even
So
understand?
Deontay, I'm gonna put that on YouTube,
I didn't
and
even
I'm gonna
see.
send you a copy of just the tentacle part.
I didn't even see the part where you got
Well, the
the
parts
other
I got,
other three.
That I don't know how you got that. My poison.
I didn't even see
Did you
you get the other.
record like him killing everyone at least? Or
I didn't see that you get the other
Let's
three
take
though.
top.
Actually,
I'll just
yeah,
figure
no,
out-
just win it, just win it, just
Win
win
it.
it.
Wait,
Win it, Jesus,
I didn't know
what's
what
wrong
every,
with
I
you?
didn't know what everyone's fucking timers were.
Jeez.
Our timers were to fucking win it.
Yeah, no,
This
you
game
guys have no
over.
fun. GG.
Good game. I can't believe I actually.